Hey everyone, me and Murray Deck are going to be heading into the Dyson Sphere on the deal. If I'm not mistaken, I think. Yep. There we go. Whoops, I am flying a little far away there. You want to read this or should I?
Yeah, I might as well. The discovery and activation of the gateway in the Juray system means we can send ships rapidly to explore the Solanae Dyson Sphere. An alliance force comprised of ships from the Romulan Republic, the Federation, and the Klingon Empire have agreed to work together to study this sphere and establish a zone of control there. But they need skilled captains and crews willing to join the fight. Travel to the gateway and contact Allied Joint Command once you reach the Solanae Dyson Sphere in the Delta Quadrant.
And we're already here, so accept. Or at least I was till I started backing up a little bit too far from the deal there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. There we go. Enter the Dyson Sphere.
Oops, I am in the wrong thing.
Yeah, we got this cutscene of our ship flying in. Although although it cut out the visuals on my ship here. You still in my instance?
I went into the wrong thing on accident.
Whoops.
Yeah, I accidentally entered the Juray system instead of the gateway.
Okay, yeah. Yep, this is the moment. This is the joint command here. I'll just okay. What I'll do is I'll cut the video here and I'll wait till I'll restart it once he gets back. Oh, whoops! Well, he's in here, so I think we got to talk to this guy right here. Welcome to the Delta Quadrant, Admiral. A journey that once took 30 years at maximum warp now takes mere minutes. Yep, did we go as far as Voyager did? Not quite. We're on the border of the Delta Quadrant. Specifically, we're in the Solenius... how's that pronounced again?
Solanae.
The Solanae Dyson Sphere. A spherical structure built around a star. The sphere itself has a diameter that is nearly 200 million kilometers, or the equivalent of 250 million M-class planet surfaces. And how much of the sphere has been explored? You're looking at it. The sphere is huge, and it could take us a lifetime to completely understand its construction and technology. We're taking it slow until we know more. That's where you come in. We could use help from your ship. And before we get started, though, Sub-Commander Cole wants you to receive a briefing about the Omega particles from our chief scientist. And we'll speak with the chief scientist. Which is,
over this way, I believe.
Whoops, I ran right into a pillar there. Oh yeah, up here. There was a guy with an exclamation point over his head there, but I think...
Hello, Admiral. Cal has asked me to be brief, as there is a lot to be done. We found massive amounts of Omega particles being produced within the Dyson Sphere. These particles are extremely unstable, and when detonated, they will damage subspace, making warp travel impossible in vast areas around the detonation site. In the past, we've only had to deal with small amounts of Omega particles. Now we have a structure that is mass producing them for an unknown purpose. And what's the plan to neutralize them? The plan is twofold. First, we must find and destroy any existing Omega particles. Secondly, we must discover whatever is producing them at such an alarming rate and stop it. The Federation and Klingons have agreed to join an alliance with the Romulan Republic in order to see this done. These particles threaten us all. This would be simple except for... Well, perhaps it's best if you hear more from Subcommander Cal. He's asked to speak with you.
Alright. And if I'm not mistaken, I think he, when we talk to him, it's actually a cutscene.
Yeah,
where's he? I'm trying to remember where he's at. And it's walking around, and this is a little bit crazy.
This way.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting there's some invisible walls in some of these. There's like some invisible walls in some of these areas that you can't jump down for some strange reason.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, right over here. Let's see.
Welcome to the Solanae Dyson Sphere. My name is Subcommander Cole. This is the main command center for Joint Alliance Command, a multi-species task force willing to work together toward a common goal, for now at least. The gateway you use to get here is in Republic space, so the Republic is taking a lead here as well. Our mission? To destroy the Omega particles this sphere creates, and neutralize its ability to generate more. The first scouts into the sphere confirmed that it was producing massive amounts of Omega particles for an unknown purpose. Given enough time, this sphere could produce enough Omega particles to completely annihilate warp travel in all known quadrants of the galaxy. We thought this would be a sweep and clear operation, but we were waylaid by a species known as the Voth. The Voth claim to be natives of the Delta Quadrant, are extremely technologically advanced, and they want the sphere. Now we're in a fight for control. The Voth are determined to gather the Omega particles. We're still determining why, but this is a threat to all warp-capable civilizations. I can't stress enough how important it is that we stop the Voth and neutralize the Omega particles. There's a lot to do. Shall we get started?
Alright, so...
The Dyson Sphere battle zone is connected to the Voth reputation system. Go to your character window to view
Yeah, that's just more reputation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, talking thing. And we got the deal.
You ready to begin? Dyson Sphere is unlike anything we've ever seen before. So yeah, short introduction to exactly what's going on here.
Yep, and I think we got our first deal here is supply woes. While the minefield helps to keep the Voth ships from entering Allied space in mass, occasionally the Voth will slip one or two small vessels through with their advanced cloaking devices. We have a range of tachyon probe frequencies that can sometimes detect Voth ships, but we need to get up close to have any chance of success. We want your ship to search this zone for any Voth ships that might be hiding. And we'll accept, and that means we gotta beam back up to our deal. And yeah, I have a cruiser because the beam arrays actually will. Oh, we got another cutscene here.
We run missions here from Joint Command, the center of all Allied operations. This is the supply depot. We use it to ship supplies to our forces and to store any unusual or dangerous technologies we find here. This region is the minefield. It is used as a barrier to keep Voth forces out, although some still slip by. And this is the ion stream, a series of structures moving a high volume of charged particles and exotic radiation through the area.
Alright, each of these areas could use your help. So now, let's see, supply woes, what do we got? Search for cloaked ships near the supply deal. I could do that. And oh, there's like a big old square here, and that wasn't here the last time I did this.
Must be something new.
Now I was going to say something. Oh yes, I brought this ship here because it's actually going to be useful once we do one of the STFs. But we'll get into that once we get into that.
There's already somebody in combat with the Voth ship. Palisade frigate. Standard, typical frigates. Of course, that's not what we're here. Scan.
As a result of an area mission will appear specifically for you.
That is kind of loud. Turn that down just a little bit. Now, some of the all I know is that some of the Voth ships are pretty annoying, like the ones that can deflect deals and not take damage from whichever deals are deflecting it. But I don't think that's any of these ships.
It doesn't seem like that. I'm not sure though.
You're a bit busy, bro. Stuck in a tractor beam or something? Seems like I wasn't moving.
Yeah, goodbye, no.
Alright, so we did that, so now we gotta go over this direction. Okay, yeah, they took care of that one. So yeah, we got to go over here and help with the ion stream. I think if I remember correctly, we got to go into these ion dills and take it to the ship.
Or something like that, yeah. And it's been a while since I've done this, really.
All I know is that the Voth reputation deal moves a lot faster than the other reputation deals. Yeah, you got a faster ship than I do. You're already there.
Yeah. Good to see you, Avril. See the ion streams? The energy in them can be rerouted into the power cells of a starship and delivered to other areas of the sphere. This energy helps us better understand how the sphere activates. Can your ship take some of the ion strings energy to our tower in the minefield?
We could
We can do that.
Of course, what you gotta do is just not hit the thing like I did, but you gotta go over to one of these deals, collect the thing, and then carry it over. So, come on, slow down. There we go. Absorb the deal. And oh yeah, that's right. You have to do it 3 times if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Alright. There's one right here. Yeah, sometimes I'd get here and there'd already be people there absorbing the deals right before I get there. That's another one. What? Oh, over here.
No, that's a separate thing there.
Over here.
That is a separate mission thing.
Oh, I meant to deal. Oh, oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, did you? Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it must have regenerated. I gotta grab another one. Gotta grab one more before I'm able to carry it all the way back over to the minefield. Yeah, there are like little minor missions that you can do during the course of this too. Those are usually if I'm marked on the map, if I'm not mistaken. Huh, weird. It was a...
Where do I...
Yeah, sorry if I'm being a little bit slow. I'm trying to find the deals. That one was marked, but for some reason it didn't give me the option to absorb the energy into the ship.
That's strange. Where am I supposed to dump this energy on?
I thought it would tell you.
I'm at the area. I'm at the area that it marked, but it's not giving me the option to.
Let me grab another set of energy. It might be waiting on me, but I don't know. Let me get into one of these iron stream discharge deals and see if I can. Did it show up once I grabbed that?
I don't get it. It's telling me to go around like this area, like right here, with this ion stream thing, but I'm not getting anything.
Did you follow it down to this tower here, where I'm going?
Wait.
Because that seems to be where it's directing me to. Now that I have Did you do it 3 times? You gotta collect 3 ion deals, huh?
Yeah, I did collect them.
Okay, well, let's follow.
I don't know why it's telling me to go around there for.
I don't know, but I got mine. We'll put this energy to good use, but we need more help here, Admiral. The minefield is the minefield is the last line of defense against the Voth moving in from the contested zone. Several of our mines have stopped working, and we don't know why. Can your ship help with some of the deactivated mines and determine the problem? Yep, we'll do that. However, I'll wait on you.
I'm right here.
Yeah, I see your deal. Did you get the did it tell you give you the deal?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Whoa, crap. Somebody's shooting at me.
What the?
Were they?
Iconium.
Oh, yeah, yeah, that's something we'll find out about it once we get the, what is it? Later in the, I'm trying to think of what I'm going to say. Oh, as we get later into the reputation. Alright, scan this. And basically what they're saying is these mines are missing some parts. Whoa. Something just...
This last mine.
Oh, no, I thought it was an enemy deal, but I thought it was another enemy, but it was the square. Alright, there we go. Supply woes completed.
Yeah.
Now, if I'm not mistaken,
Thank you for your assistance, Admiral. You said that the Voth were remotely disarming mines like transporting parts out of them? We'll see what we can do to get around them. But now, you and your ship are needed elsewhere, specifically in the contested zone. Speak with me again when you're ready for the next assignment.
Alright. And we'll save the contested zone for the next set of videos. I am going to do all of these tutorial missions before I move on to the KDF deals, but I want to get these uploaded since it's been a while. It's been a while. So yeah, when we come back, we'll be heading into the contested zone. Later.
Peace out.